As fun as Galveston, Texas was with the runs on the beach and also barbecuing on the beach, watching the sunset was just absolutely magical and pretty unique and something that we've never done before, which was quite awesome. But we're headed to Austin, Texas. We're gonna make a small detour and head to San Antonio. I believe paste picante was made there.
In San Antonio, who know what picante sauce should taste like?
Well, this stuff's made in New York City. New York City.
We might turn into cowboys. I don't really know, but it's gonna be a quick stop on the way to Austin, Texas, which is our short-term rentals at. But first, we gotta load up our kid. Can't. Rule 1, don't forget your family members. All right, we all loaded up and ready to go?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To Austin. Austin, Texas.
Say Texas?
Texas.
There you go.
We're getting coffee first.
Yeah.
When you spend this much time with your really, really close family, like your wife and your son, you learn certain things that are needs prior to 9 o'clock in the morning, and coffee's one of them, apparently.
It's 9:45.
We're a little late and we're a little angry, or ornery. Let's go. All right, first stop, coffee. Second stop, San Antonio. Third stop,
Austin, Texas.
Let's go. Have coffee. Not sure how good it is yet, but it's okay. It'll work.
Where are we at, Chase?
I don't remember.
San Antonio,
San Antonio,
Texas.
Texas.
What are we gonna do right now?
Eat sandwiches.
First and foremost, this city already feels way cleaner. Like we're in a public parking place having lunch before we go on a little river walk, and I am just shocked. Like things are clean and kind of old.
Well, when she wrapped her loving arms around my neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar, I should have turned her away, but how was I to see? I was fire and she was gasoline.
Beth.
I know.
I mean, unless you want to go swimming.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
Ground. Our true loves were dead, and our hearts were full of grief. I was fire and she was gasoline. Good God. I was fire and she was gasoline. But we helped each other out, Lord, to ease some of the pain. Best friends and lovers most of the time. But I would go mad when she would turn mean. I was fire and she was gasoline. Yeah, I was fire and she was gasoline.
I saw their
Wait. Cheese.
Stop.
Say cheese. Stop. Stop. And look at us. Say cheese.
All right, mate, show us your muscles. All right, come home. The river walk, pretty cool, pretty unique, pretty neat. It's one of those things that you don't really have a purpose. You're just walking around looking at other people eat and drink.
Super cute area though, like it'd be perfect to go to dinner and people watch. All the restaurants are right on the river. It's perfect, especially in good weather. It's a little chilly today though.
It's a little chilly down by the old river, but it's so, you wouldn't, like, Kayla and I were looking around for it, like, where the hell is this river walk? And it's like one story down. It's not like, it's not on the same level that you actually park. Now we're headed to the old Alamo. You know anything about the Alamo? I should have done like a Google search for a history lesson. That's part of history I don't remember. I know it's this way though.
Well, we cleaned that mess up. We made amends the best we could, but we could not be together anymore. I can't say that I don't miss you, but we gotta let it be. 'Cause I'm still fire and you're still gasoline. Yeah, I was fire and you was gasoline. I was fire and you was gasoline.
Where are we, Chase?
I don't remember.
We're at the Alamo.
Alamo,
In
Texas.
Pretty cool.
Maybe this is ignorant of me, but I thought it was going to be bigger. Well, I know. I just, you know, like, I didn't realize it was going to be like a 1.5 story building. It's pretty cool, though. Pretty remarkable. Is it pretty remarkable?
Uh-huh.
It is, huh? All right, let's go walk around. What are those, buddy?
Cannons. Last them out. I'll pretend I
What noise do they make?
Wait!
You got my leg?
Dad, you're this one.
All right.
We're pirates.
You and I are pirates, huh?
There's a other pirate.
Oh, yeah? What are we going to do?
Blast it.
All right, blast it. Load your cannon.
I have a ginormous ball.
Cannon. All right, ready? You gonna pull it, ready? Whoa.
Now time for all of it.
All right, one more time.
the fire that burned their bodies rose eternal spirit of sublime heroic sacrifice, which gave birth to an empire state.
Now can I get off it?
San Antonio. The Riverwalk was actually really cute. Unexpected that it was like down, like almost underground. You know, I had to go down quite a bit to find it, but once we found it, like it's bigger than I expected. How about you?
Yeah, San Antonio was a unique and cool city. I wish we could spend some more time there, and I think we will maybe in the future. You know, it's cool to see the history, and the Riverwalk was really neat, and the Alamo was really mind-blowing, especially with so much history there. I enjoyed the actual town of San Antonio. I enjoyed some of the free entertainment that we got. Some lady was screaming at us. There was a guy shaving next to us in the public restroom, which was awkward. But they've got like these staff members or people who work for the actual city that just give out free information and kind of direct you, not any like particular business, but just in the historical side of things, which I thought was cool. All right, we made it to Austin, Texas. It was an adventurous day to say the least. We started out at Galveston, Texas, and headed up to San Antonio, where we got to visit all kinds of cool, unique things that we had never experienced before. But now we're settled into our Airbnb, and a couch just feels amazing. We're gonna kind of kick back, relax tonight, and then we're gonna get after it tomorrow. I know we got a few plans specifically to visit Austin. We're about 3 or 4 miles away, so we might be taking the city bus. But I'm excited to take you along in this beautiful city and